Okay, so have you heard of a London Fog?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I was thinking, wouldn't it be fun to do a London Nog? It's like a really tasty little tea kind of latte situation with Earl Grey tea. Love Earl Grey tea, love it. And then I thought, like, since fog rhymes with nog,
Shake.
so I'm gonna do 2 cups of milk into my little sauce pot. All right, 2 cups of cream.
2 cups of cream?
Okay, fine, maybe 1 cup.
Yeah.
'Tis the season for excessive cream consumption.
Bring it back.
We're experiencing some budget issues right now, so instead of 2 cups of cream and 2 cups of milk, I'm gonna do 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of cream.
Perfect.
Look how thin this is. Like, Trader Joe's really skimping on the tea these days.
Shrinkflation.
Shrinkflation. Okay, so I'm doing 4 shrinkflated bags of Earl Grey tea. And just gonna put those in, and I'm gonna put this over low heat for now and see what happens. This seems like a fire hazard, so this does not meet fire code. Just take these off. And then I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt. We're going to take some room temperature egg yolks, but I didn't have any room temp eggs, so I put them in warm water. Okay. Oh, it's warm. Gross. Look how pretty this egg is.
Mm-hmm. The nails too.
It's like a sea foam. They're the things that like keep the egg yolk suspended, and I know that they serve an important purpose, but they just really gross me out. Let's start with 1/2 cup of sugar. I was thinking either light brown sugar or turbinado, but I think turbinado has more of like kind of vanilla-y notes, more so than light brown, but I'm sure light brown would work too. Okay. But yeah, I'm just kind of looking to make this like a slightly lighter color. Kind of looks like a honey mustard sauce or something. So I'm just looking to see how thick it is. Okay, I'm gonna give this a little taste. Yeah, you can taste it Earl Grey. I'm gonna let it go a little longer. This is like a vibe, like the color scheme. So it was kind of developing this film on the top, and then I was just stirring it in, and then also making sure that nothing was sticking to the sides or the bottom, because you don't want anything to like scorch. Yeah, I mean, it kind of tastes like a little bit like the Fruity Pebbles milk. It's very creamy right now, just slightly salty, very Earl Grey. All right, I'm gonna fish these little tea bags out here. Gone fishing. What I'm gonna do here is temper these egg yolks with our warm milk tea. Oh yeah, it's already like melting the sugar. I think I'm pretty cool with that. I might throw a little bit more in here, and then I'll throw it into the pot. Okay, and I'm gonna whisk my egg yolk mixture in. Waste not, want not. That's what I always say, and I really do believe that. It's really hot. Yeah, crazy. Tastes like a London Fog already. I'm just gonna pop it on the stove maybe like 10 more minutes. Low heat. I'm not really worried about like salmonella or anything, but do you wanna taste this? All right, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I'm gonna start with a teaspoon and see what that looks like. This is homemade vanilla, so it's not, or homemade vanilla extract rather. So it's not the strongest. Ooh. That's good.
Yeah, it was incredible. Yeah, nailed it on the London Fog.
Because this tastes so much like a London Fog, I'm gonna add some nutmeg to it to kind of reinforce that, like, just a reminder that this is still eggnog. Try not to lose a finger. Maybe should have let that cool actually a little bit before I put the nutmeg in, but hey, you know what? Totally okay.
Why? I hope it wake it up.
I read recently that heat degrades the flavor of nutmeg.
Oh, okay. Well,
So I actually probably shouldn't have put that in just now. Bottle it up. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a while, a couple hours, and then we'll taste it. Okay, so it's been more than a couple of hours. It's been a few days. Oops. But let's try our fog nog. Oh,
yeah.
that is so thick. Okay.
My God.
I don't know if I want to drink like a whole glass of this. Nutmeg. First thoughts, very thick. Legs. It's really thick texturally on the mouthfeel as well. It tastes like a London Fog. Like,
Let me taste it.
it's really thick.
I mean, you nailed it. It tastes exactly like the London.
If you really like London Fogs, then you should make this eggnog. And if you really like London Fogs and you really like eggnog, then you're gonna fucking love this shit. But maybe I would dial the cream back. Was there cream in this recipe? 2 cups of cream.
2 cups of cream?
Okay, fine. Maybe 1 cup.
Either that or add ice and blend it.
So I would, if I had an aged gin, I think that that could be really interesting. That could be a good boozy combo.
Honestly, unaged gin might be good too, to be honest. Like, it'll brighten it up and thin it out. And give it some more, like...
Should I put a splash of gin in?
Yeah.
Be right back. Okay, got a little local gin here. I don't know anything about it. Do you know anything about this?
London dry style gin.
London dry. Perfect. London Fog, London dry.
Yeah.
Half an ounce. I'm gonna do half an ounce. Oh,
I should have got that. Yeah.
probably should have stirred it because that looks really,
Whoa, that's
really unappetizing.
pretty weird looking.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let me try.
Wow, yeah.
Oh shit, yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah, definitely with gin. Very tasty. With aged gin, though, if you've got it,
That would be really good.
I'll want it because that would be really tasty.
This is working for me. It was pretty damn good.
This really turned it around.
Yeah, I wasn't really a big fan of it before the gin,
Wow.
but now I like it. Giving, like, I got a milkshake and I let it sit too long, and then like now I don't want to drink
But
it.
now it's not. It's a London Fog Nog, and it's in all of its glory. Anyway, well, this has been London Fog Nog, a Very Good Drinks original. If you make this, please let me know. I would love to hear about it. Yeah, I mean, happy Fog-a-days. Nog-a-days? Fog Nog days. Happy holidays, everyone, and have a great season.
London nogging.
Oh my god, middle school did me, but I love that song.